Oriental-laser Group is expert in aesthetic and medical laser machining. It is the beauty equipment manufacturer which owns specialty on diode laser cosmetic technique and the unique independent diode laser chip packaging technology in the world. We developed a new updated solution for professional diode laser hair removal, which adopts 755 nanometers, 810 nanometers, 1064 nanometers, and multiple wavelengths and spot sizes to meet the different customer demands. Also, we offer OEM solution for customer to build laser hair removal machine with all components and technical support. At the same time, Oriental-laser offers repair service for different brand diode laser stack, such as Alma Soprano, Dielectric, N-Light, Focuslight, Cineron. Oriental-laser pays more attention on R&D and keeps strict manufacturer management continuously. We have a facility of 9,000 square feet of Class 10K clean room and Class 1000 local clean zone, according to Federal Standards 209E. After using our product and solution, our customers want the rich profits and praise, and this is why Oriental-laser accumulated a stable customer base around the world. In the future, we continue to insist on, through using our ISO 9001 approved outstanding performance product, to help our customers to gain maximum profit, and pay more effort to provide quality products and service for more customers.